Guys, make una pity me. Sharp makeup. That is what we are going to do here right now. Sharp. Because I'm late. I need to go and start cooking. Now me supposed to be surprised. Now they surprise me. I cannot remember Mama's name. Mama Jennifer, I think so. You asked me what happened to my hands the other day. I saw it at the comment section, Mama. It is me, oh. It is me, oh. Ha! It is my fault. I was looking for my calf legs to carve my legs. I did not see my calf legs. So I now said, let me use razor blades to carve it as we used to do it in olden days. That is when the razor blade now cut my finger. That's what happened to my hands. Thank you, Mama, for asking. This one I don't resemble native doctors. Okay. Alright, now I've put this contour. No, this is not contour. This is a protection of blah 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 to protect your face. So I don't color with this today. Well, I will do everything sharp here. Just sharp. But not everything that you will see here, guys. Not all the makeup. I'm going to wash my makeup tools. I'm going to wash everything. So as I can be like ancestors for this, my protecting of skin. Guys, my dressing is very simple. Simple dressing. Now I just do today. That is what I do. And this is my first time of wearing this cloth. This long sleeve. My first time. Since I bought it, I just use it to do unboxing and I've not worn it anymore. The face is facing. It's facing. Let me put in a little bit more.